Good morning, ma'am. I, Bindu Sharma of class 11th A, is going to present my art integration of dihydrogen, that is H2. Firstly, we'll take a look about its occurrence. Dihydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. About 70% of the mass of universe is that of hydrogen. Hydrogen is 0.15% by mass on Earth. Its combined state it covers 15.4% of Earth's crust and oceans. It is also found in proteins, carbohydrates and hydrocarbons. Now, the position of hydrogen in periodic table. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1, so its configuration is 1s1. It is also possible to place hydrogen with alkali metals because configuration of hydrogen is similar to that of alkali metals. Hydrogen can gain one electron to achieve its configuration. This property is similar to halogens, so it can also be placed with halogens. Talking about isotopes of hydrogen, firstly, isotopes are two or more form of same element containing same number of protons and different number of neutrons in nucleus. For hydrogen, it is of three types, that is protium, deuterium and tritium. There is difference in rate of reaction due to different bond dissociation enthalpy. As for example, we can take reaction of protium and chlorine is 13.4 times faster than deuterium and chlorine. A heading for the topic protium. Protium is one of the most common isotope of hydrogen, making more than 99.98% of the hydrogen in universe. Its nucleus contains one proton and no neutron. Its atomic mass is 1.007 mu. Theories of particle physics states that they have half-life between 10 to the power 28 and 10 to the power 36 years. As per of new experiments, half-life of proton is given as 6.6 into 10 to the power 23 years. The second isotope is deuterium. It sometimes is written as D. As per the name suggests, dew means 2. It consists of one proton and one neutron. It is less in earth and more in sea. It does not affect living organisms as it is not radioactive. Deuterium can also form water molecules, so that water is named as heavy water. Heavy water is used as neutron moderators, coolant for nuclear reactors and also for nuclear fission. Last but not the least is tritium. It is considered to be the most radioisotope of hydrogen that contains one proton and two neutron in its nucleus. It is in very less quantity on Earth. It is formed by natural interaction between gases in upper atmosphere and cosmic rays, also created during nuclear weapon test. The most common way is by bombarding an isotope of lithium 6. It decays into helium 3 through beta decays with a half-life of 12.32 years. Tritium is used in thermonuclear fusion, self-powered lightning devices, etc. Thank you, ma'am, and have a great day ahead.